Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is for anyone who wants ideas on how to pose a couple during an engagement photo session. I have seven tips you could try out. Thank you so much for everyone who's a subscriber to this channel. If you like my videos, if you comment, if you share them, thank you so much. Let us get into this video. So the first tip is called the hip touch. Have the couple touching at the hips. Make sure there's no space in between them. Keep their hands from laying flat on the side. You don't want anything to look boring. You can have the woman place her hand on his chest. Remember, this is an engagement photo shoot, so you'd want to have the engagement ring in the shot at all times. The next one is called opened up. Separate their bodies to face the camera. Join their hands in the middle to create a connection between the man and the woman. You can have him stare at her to just create that vibe of, checking your girl out. Number 3, closed up. In this case, you have the couple turn their bodies to face each other. Use the pose for a more intimate feel. You can have them kiss to capture the intimacy of the couple. Number 4, the stacked pose. Have the man stand behind the woman. Keep the arm wrapped around her waist. You can have them look at each other or look into a distance. Having their eyes closed makes the picture feel more intimate. And number 5 is the dip. Have the man dip his lady to the side. Have them hold hands like they are dancing. It gives a more candid feel to the shot. You have to make sure the man doesn't look stressed. You can have him place his leg forward and grab her waist for support. Number 6 is the walk. Have the couple walk slowly towards you. While doing this, you can tell them to have a conversation. It helps capture the candid moments. Number 7 is the lead. This works best with the woman only. Capture it from the point of view of the man. Use a wide lens to give the perspective of the man. During post-production, you can add motion blur to portray movement in the shot. I know I told you guys I was giving you only 7 tips, but trust me to always give you extra. So number 8, I call this the kiss of love. So shady, but yeah, the kiss of love. This is best shot against sunlight, or any light source can be placed behind the couple to separate them from the background and make her hair glow. Alright guys, those are my 8 tips you can try out on your next engagement photo shoot. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if this video was helpful. Thank you so much and see you guys in the next video.